Hello everyone. We are out fishing the second annual Brewed Canada Spring Shuswap Derby this morning, and I couldn't think of a better time than to introduce Canoe Point Bucktail Co. Canoe Point Bucktail Co. is a project I've been working on for the past 3 seasons, developing 5 fly bucktail patterns that catch fish. The 5 patterns that have been developed are TYGERFYRE, the Dark Knight, KROME KANDY, BLUEYESWHITEDRAGON, and the Green Gremlin. We just launched our new website, canoepointbucktailco.ca. Find the link in the description below and head on over to find all 5 patterns available for purchase. There's free shipping anywhere in Canada, and if you catch a fish on one of our bucktails and send us a picture on Instagram to canoepointbucktailco, we will send you a free fly. The current setup that I'm using this morning to bucktail with these flies is a 9-foot, 8-weight fly rod, type 7, full sinking line. We have anywhere from 6 to 20 feet of 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. I don't find that a taper is necessary. And then we tie straight on to one of our bucktails. We let out all of our fly line plus 10 feet into the backing and troll at a speed of around 1.6 to 2.2 miles per hour. Okay, so we're gonna get some bucktails out there and we're gonna put them to the ultimate test during the Spring Shuswap Derby and see if we can get some fish in the boat. Stay tuned.
Oh, I see it. Is it a good one?
No.
Oh. They like this bucktail.
Yeah. It's gonna run again. Come on. Don't get off. Ready? Woo! Yes! First fish in the boat, fly popped off right away. Oh, beautiful Shuswap rainbow. Okay, beautiful Shuswap rainbow. Let's get him back. So we just caught that beautiful Shuswap rainbow on the TYGERFYRE. Beauty. Here's fish number 2 in the boat. Here's fish number 2 this morning. Beautiful Shuswap rainbow. Say around 14 inches. Let's get him back. We caught him on the KROME KANDY Canoe Point bucktail. Ready?
Yes.
Set 3rd fish going. And got him on the KROME KANDY bucktail. 2nd fish of the day on the KROME KANDY.
Woo! They like these bucktails.
Okay, got our 4th rainbow of the day, and we got him on the green gremlin bucktail this time. Okay, let's get him back. Okay, so we got another fish on here. We're actually using the downrigger with one of our Canoe Point bucktails with the Dark Night. We had it on the downrigger, set at 20 feet, and I have a feeling it's gonna be a pike minnow, but we'll find out. Oh, pike minnow on the bucktail. Okay, so we got this pike minnow on the Dark Night. Look, he swallowed it. They're good for more than just rainbows, but not really what we're out here looking for. We'll get him back too. Ooh, Pia.
Good size.
Yeah, decent size.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one. It's a lake trout.
Rainbow.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, take him. Nice, nice. We just hooked up to a really nice laker on the Canoe Point bucktail Blue Eyes White Dragon. Sorry, I think I said laker. It's a really nice rainbow. Check out this rainbow trout. That's a beauty fish. Okay, we're gonna measure him since we're in the Derby. See where he lands. Okay, so we just got our 6th fish in the boat. We've had a crazy productive day. No real hogs, but that last fish measured out just at 19 inches. We entered him in the Derby. Unfortunately, the largest fish right now is 25 3/8. If we were in the kids division, we'd be winning, but yeah, no worries there. We actually caught that last rainbow. We're just using my downrigging rod, and we're using the Blue Eyes White Dragon Canoe Point bucktail, and I didn't have any weight on it. I just had 130 feet back and 30 feet of water, and he hit it right on the top. We couldn't have been more than 3 feet under the surface. Really nice fish. Had a really productive day and couldn't be happier. Once again, if you want to purchase any of these bucktails, go to the link in our description, canoepointbucktailco.ca. Please follow us on Instagram at Canoe Point Bucktail, and if you purchase any and you catch fish, you get free flies. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you out there.